right, so we decided to stop in Ashland because that Heritage locomotive is supposed to be on this train, and we got better light. It's dark. That P&L locomotive was Paducah and Louisville, and that thing came out of Huntington, is what Waldo's Trains told us. So we're hoping, and again I say we're hoping, that there's a Heritage locomotive on this train right here. And if it's the one it's supposed to be, I've never caught it before. It's supposed to be the Pan Am, CSX Pan Am. So we're going to find out here in just a second, because we're here at the Ashland Transportation Center. There's a chassis system caboose in the parking lot. This is where you get on AMTRAK at, right here. It's the old C&O warehouse, which is now the transportation center. Nice little area if you're ever down here. You can get right up here by the tracks. He's not moving real fast. They got a park on the other side of the tracks here, and the Ohio River's right down over the hill there. So you sit by the river and watch whatever goes up and down it too. He is not moving very fast at all. Well, he goes by slow. We'll get a good look at him. Okay, I'm going to hold up just a minute until he gets up closer. All right, here we go. Actually, I'll tell you at the end of the video. I didn't see a Heritage here. Well, I don't know about you, but I didn't see a heritage unit. So I don't think the information on the heritage site's right. Anyway, the train I was originally talking about is still down there. That was the one that went through that had the Paducah and Louisville locomotive on it, and it's down there right now. They're having problems with their wheels spinning. They're setting cars off and stuff. So I don't know if he's coming back up through here or not, but well, I didn't see a heritage unit on that train right there at all. So bad information, can't help it. I hope he was able to see everything, as it's pretty dark here. So we'll catch you on the next one. Hey, got another westbound coming here on CSX in Ashland. Gotten busy on CSX all of a sudden. He's slowing down in a hurry. Got a long train here. These are aluminum gondola cars too, aluminum sided. I had a buddy who used to build these things years ago. And they are empty. Ashland, Kentucky. Right here at the AMTRAK station. Alrighty, that's probably going to do it for the night unless that local comes up through here. So we'll catch you on the next one, everybody. Have a great day. Yeah, he's stopping. Okay, we'll see if that local's actually going to come through here this time. Gates have gone down a couple times. The train hasn't come through. I think he's coming this time. See if we can see that, if that Paducah and Louisville locomotive still on there. Yeah, he's still. That's a good looking locomotive. As you can see, it's raining now. So I think this is going to do it for the night. Okay, we're going home. Had about a 2-hour drive, so it's time to go. 125 miles. So we're heading out.
Now that was a great show.
Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll catch you on the next one.